Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by packaging what works. First, verify metrics, accuracy, latency, and size, so you know deployment targets. Once done, export to a portable format like ONGs or saved model. This ensures portability across runtimes. Next, write a minimal inference wrapper that loads the model and exposes a predict, call, and create a Docker file plus requirements to lock dependencies. These steps let you reproduce behavior reliably and prevent environment drift when moving to staging or production. Now deploy the packaged image to a staging cluster. Build and push the Docker image, tagging it with a version and commit SHA so you can trace changes. Then deploy to your chosen platform, Kubernetes, X, or a managed serverless runtime, and configure health checks and readiness probes. Make sure auto-scaling rules match expected load and wire up logs and metrics to Prometheus or a logging service. This gives you observability and safe capacity before hitting production. For production, use a gradual rollout, canary or blue/green, so you limit blast radius. Validate live performance by monitoring error rates, latency, and business metrics for at least 1 to 2 release cycles. Simultaneously run a /b tests or shadow traffic to compare model versions and capture input samples for postmortem analysis. Make sure the response includes model version metadata and have an automated rollback path and a hotfix checklist ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.